Buying Minecraft with Apple gift card. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use Apple gift card to buy Minecraft. Suppose you have an Apple gift card and now you want to buy Minecraft with it. The Apple gift card will look something like this. So the first thing you have to do is go to your App Store. If you are an iOS user, just go to the App Store and now you have to go to the profile icon. After clicking on the profile icon, you will see this option that says redeem gift card or code. Click on this option, then you will be redirected to the next screen. On the next screen, you have two options. The first one is use camera and the second one is you can also enter your code manually. If you want to use camera, you will just click on this option and now you will scan your card. All the details will be added automatically. And if you want to use the second option, you will just click on it and you will enter the code that is written on the gift card. So this is the first type. Now, if you want to do it from the Microsoft Store or the PC version, how can you do that? In order to do that, you don't have to actually redeem the gift card. You can do one thing is you can sell this Apple gift card and have money in your PayPal. So how can you sell it? In order to sell it, you have to go to Google and you need to search for G2A. As you can see on my screen, I have already searched it. You can also go to Race Marketplace by searching it on the Google. As you can see, Race Marketplace is visible here. Now you can buy and sell discounted gift card, which means you can sell your gift card right here. So that means that redeeming a Apple gift card on Windows is not possible. You can just exchange your card from Raise Marketplace or G2A. That's all. That's how you will be able to do this process. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.